Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip south on I-95, beginning at mile 247 in Medway, Maine, counting the miles down. Exit 244 provides access to State Route 157, leading to Millinocket to the west and Mattawamkeag to the east. Millinocket, originally developed by Italian immigrants, thrived on forestry and paper production. The Millinocket Mill, opened in 1900 by the Great Northern Paper Company, was the world's largest paper mill at the time and a pioneer in incorporating electrical generation into its operations. The company also introduced influential innovations like the Great Northern Grinders, still used in the paper industry today. However, in 2003, Great Northern Paper filed for bankruptcy, leading to economic challenges for the town. Despite state and local efforts to revitalize the economy, the mills closed in 2008 and were later purchased by a Canadian company. Today, Millinocket has transitioned towards a service-based economy and has become a popular year-round tourist destination. It now attracts visitors with activities and attractions suited to all four seasons. We now get back into unorganized territory with townships designated by letters and numbers. I noticed that while researching these numbers, in this case T2R9, that the letters WELS appears after the designation, and it seems to mean west of the easterly line of the state. A map of the unorganized territory shows T2R9 with a suffix of NWP, which means north of the Waldo Patent. We enter Matamuscontus Township, which is part of the unorganized territory, but this time with a name, although it also has the designation of T1R7 NWP. Matamuscontus was incorporated as a town in 1839, but surrendered its status as a town in 1907, returning it to unorganized territory, but this is presumably why it has a name. The name comes from the Matamuscontus Stream, which joins the Penobscot River within the limits of the township. In 2004, archaeologists discovered American Indian artifacts near the Matamuscontus River dating back 5,000 to 6,000 years, highlighting the area's long history of human habitation. We enter the town of Howland, named for Mayflower passenger John Howland. The town had a population of 1,094 as of the 2020 census. Percy LeBaron Spencer was born in Howland in 1894 and was one of the world's leading experts in radar tube design. He was the first to investigate the phenomenon of a candy bar melting in the presence of radar waves and built the world's first microwave oven, filing the first patent in 1945. We conclude today's video at mile 219. Thanks for watching. Special thanks to our channel members shown on your screen here. Please consider joining them to help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos. Membership starts at $1 per month, or it doesn't cost anything to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.